Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I create this lovely hairdo. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell. So guys, to create this hairstyle, I'm first going to section the front of my hair as you can see in this video, and I'll just get the other part of my hair away just so that it doesn't get in the way. So as you can see, I am sectioning a little part of my hair, and I'll go ahead and moisturize my hair. Guys, you want to really moisturize your hair because you don't want to work with a dry hair. And in this video I'm using my edge wax to get a good hold of it, and then after applying the edge wax I'm just going to start flat twisting. Guys, you really need to learn how to flat twist. I'm just really going to flat twist my hair. It's just about getting 2 strands of your hair and just flat twisting them down, like twisting them down. And then at the end of the hair you want to use your black rubber band to get a hold of it so it doesn't unravel. It's just as simple as that. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my edges, which is what I'm doing in this video. You want to take your time to do your edges really well. This hairstyle is very good for any occasion. You can use it for any occasion. You can even use it for work. Guys, I just chose this hairstyle because it's really nice for my work. I don't need to pack my hair while I'm at work. I mean, it's really nice, and I just thought I should rock this hair, and I'm so glad to share this with you guys. So once I'm done with my edges, next thing I want to do is get my braided extension. Guys, this is my braided extension. I already braided it. Okay, so I'm just going to be wrapping it around my hair, and use your bobby pin to get a good hold of it. Guys, you want to really get a good hold of it so it doesn't unravel. Guys, make sure you hold it with your bobby pin very nicely. And this is my afro wig. I'm just going to be wearing it just like so, and I'm also going to be using my bobby pin to get a good hold of it, and then I'm just going to be styling it however I wish. And this is the end result, guys. What do you guys think? Leave your comments in the comment section down below. Are you guys going to be trying this hairstyle? Let me know. So guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you stay to the end of this video, I really appreciate the love. Thank you very much, guys, and God bless you all. Stay tuned for our next video, and guys, please do not forget to thumbs up this video. It's very important, guys. Love you guys, and bye for now.